So you got your belt, and when you put it to, sometimes it's still hanging off on a side. It doesn't look good. It doesn't reach to the next one, and it's just hanging off. Doesn't look good at all. So how do we fix it? We put the belt all the way down here, grab a bobby pin, and put it this way. Boom. Now all that belt stays together, so when you put the t-shirt over, you don't see the belt hanging off at all. How cool is that? And it doesn't look like a bobby pin, looks like a little black metal piece. That's it. Awesome, huh? Another thing bobby pin does well is being an awesome bookmark. Let's say this is the page you ended up reading on. You want to mark it, just stick it on few pages like this. Boom. Next time you need to open it, boom, here you go. This is your page. Easy. Really cheap and awesome bookmark, isn't it? And of course it makes it awesome money clip. Look at this. Really cheap, and it do the job really well. Look at this. Boom. Throw it in your pocket and you're ready to go. Also, if you need to nail a nail in and you don't want to hit your fingers, what you can do is just grab a bobby pin and just stick it inside of the bobby pin, and that way you can hold the nail exactly where you need it and not worry about hitting your nails. Awesome. That's it. Also, a bobby clip makes it really cheap chips clip. Let's fold it up together just like this, and then we're going to grab this bobby clip and put it up. And look, it's not going to unroll, it doesn't have oxygen going through, so it's not going to go stale as fast if it was open. Pretty awesome. Really simple and cheap. Love this hack. If you have a broken zipper like that one, grab a bobby pin and just put it through. And look how easy it is to close it and open it now. And also you can, and at any time if you need a bobby pin, you can take it off and use it for something else. For this hack, you know it's almost impossible to find this beginning of clear tape. And you see when you open it, it cuts halfway, and it's really annoying. And then you just ended up messing it up, so much of it. So next time just use a bobby pin to put it at the end, just like that. Look, it's perfect fit from one side to the other side. And next time you can just close it like that, and you know where the beginning is. Just pull it up on it, ready to go. Cut out as much as you want and use the same paper clip, and that's where you're gonna cut it. It is very simple hack, but it will save you a lot of time and a lot of aggravation.